Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Crumbl app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Crumbl app is a dessert and cookie ordering platform designed to make it easy for users to order freshly baked cookies from nearby Crumbl locations. Available on both iOS and Android, the app lets users browse the weekly rotating cookie menu, place pickup or delivery orders, and track their rewards through the Crumbl Loyalty Program. It also includes detailed flavor descriptions, calorie info, and store location features for easy access. The app's main highlight is its rotating menu. Each week brings new cookie flavors, keeping things exciting for users. It allows customers to conveniently reorder past favorites, send digital gift cards, and get notifications about limited-time flavors. The interface is clean and simple, making it easy for dessert lovers to navigate and order within seconds. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its smooth ordering experience, fast delivery updates, and engaging design that showcases each cookie beautifully. The reward system adds value, letting users earn points toward free treats. However, a few users have reported occasional app crashes or slow loading times during high traffic hours. Delivery fees can also vary depending on location, which may affect the overall convenience. In summary, the Crumbl app may be worth using if you enjoy fresh cookies, want quick access to weekly flavor drops, and love earning rewards with each purchase. However, if you prefer baking at home or don't have a local Crumbl nearby, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.